Are you looking for some unique holiday gifts this year? I have just the thing for you. My name is Linda Bradley and I'm with Princess House. And tonight I want to show you two of our most popular items that can be used in the kitchen to help you save time, save money, and just make life easier. So the first one is our high power blender. And I think you've probably seen this because it is literally the number one selling item in our line and has been for 5.5 years. We sell more blenders every year than Walmart. It's amazing. So our blender is made by a very name brand company, but you can get it at the discount price with us. So it has 3 different speeds. These are pre-programmed. One is for dips and spreads. You can make homemade hummus, homemade pesto, all that kind of stuff. One is for smoothies. Obviously, people love their smoothies. And the other one is for hot soup. So in 7 minutes, you can make hot soup. I've made broccoli cheddar soup, butternut squash soup, tomato basil soup. You can make Mexican hot chocolate in here. So many different things. You will find that what's unique about the Princess House one is it's a larger beaker. It's 68 ounces, so it holds a lot, and it comes with all the warranties that Princess House gives. Now, this is in the book at $639, but I have a special. This is the lowest price that I've been able to offer this for years. So right now I have a special offer. I use a combination of Hostess and customer credits to make it work, and I can do it for 3 customers. You can get this blender for just $354, including shipping and tax, and it ships anywhere in the United States. You can make just 8 payments of $44.25 each, and it ships when it's paid in full. Now, the next one that I want to show you is our new one, and I'm going to call it our baby blender because look how cute this is. So this is our new portable blender. You've been seeing these everywhere, right? So you can blend on a charge. You actually have a little USB. It charges up and it will blend 20 times on one charge. It comes with an extra lid, so you don't have to take the bottom if you don't want. It fits in your hand. You can take it with you as you go. It fits in your car, and it's again great for making your smoothies. You can do it for your oatmeal blends, hot chocolate, your special coffee drinks. So this is a very special item, not in the regular book yet, but you can get this for just $55. Again, I have a package and it has to do with combining Hostess and customer specials, and I can offer it to 10 customers for just $55. You can also use $13.74 times 4 payments. This is a great Christmas gift for your grown kids, right? The ones that live on their own, the ones that are at college, they will love an item like this. So these are the 2 specials that I wanted to show you for the blenders. Please reach out to me specifically, thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is not a Princess House sponsored special. This is a Linda Bradley special. So I want to make sure that you can take advantage of it and have it delivered. These are not on back order. They're available right away. So if you pay in full, you can have it next week. All right, I'm excited. Which one do you want?